Hi guys, so today we are going to go over parts of a story. This is geared towards a first grade classroom and it's by me, Catherine Murray. Excuse me for all the coughing and everything, I am a little bit sick, so just bear with me, okay? In all fiction stories, there are three main parts: the beginning, the middle, and the end. In all fiction stories, there are also story elements, but we are not going to go over those today. We're just going to discuss the beginning, middle, and the end of the story. The beginning. The beginning is what happens at the start of the story. This usually includes your characters and the setting. So this is it introduces your characters, who they are, and where the story takes place. Is it in a tent, on a plane? Is it raining? Is it summer? Elements like that. The middle is what happens next in the story. This usually includes the plot or the climax of the story. It includes what is going on in the story, what happens next, what happens to the characters. As you can tell, our characters are scared by a bat that must have just come out of their tent. The end, the finish of the story, also known as the conclusion of the story. So this is the ending. What happens? And as you can tell, for our characters, it looks like they ended up safe at home instead of in that bat-filled tent. And then thank you for watching the short little informational instructional video for you, created by me using Powtoon and recorded using Screencast-O-Matic. Thanks again, guys.